Hello everyone. I had a previous video already that talked about either a boxy luxe or boxy premium like mini box that was sent after all the other boxes for November. So you already saw that, but it had no sound and I didn't open the products up. So today, right now, I'm going to open the products up so you can see what they are. And my mic wasn't working also, so I couldn't really, you couldn't hear me talking. So I'm gonna give you some more detail about what I got and swatch some of it and take it out the package and, show you what's good. All right, so I'm gonna go kind of backwards from where I was before, I think. Hopefully I have it in the right order. I think the last thing I showed on the video, which is the first thing I'm going to show today, are these brushes. These. So this is an applicator. And I guess I have to do the YouTube hand thing. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if you can see. It's actually rounded like a finger or a hand would be on the bottom. So it really is going to give you the application that you want. So one side has these little nubs on it. One side has little nubs. The other side is nice and smooth. So if you're doing a mask, you probably want to use the smooth side so it doesn't pick up product and, move it all around. If you're rubbing in a cream, you may want to use the nubby side to give you a massaging effect. Just a suggestion. And this, I don't know if you can see that also. It has little nubs on it as well. So it's a very nice brush. I have one like this, but the handle is different, and I like that you can hold it like this as opposed to the one that's like this, and then this part would be sticking out like that. You just like that. So I like this. It's more graceful to do it like this way. So that's going to be nice. And I never would have thought to make a brush standing up for the scrub the face like that. It's good. So I'm going to use that to wash my face. I bought 2 of those already previously in my add-ons because I didn't know I was going to get this. So this is an extra one, so I use it for travel. This is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream that I was talking about. I love this cream. I really, 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 really do. This is the one in the black tube, if you were wondering, because there's one in a white tube, which is like a matte, lightweight gel type formula. This is not that. Know the difference, because this is a heavy night cream and it's magical. So not really, but you know what I mean. It's very good. So the reason why I purchased it are the ingredients. So it has rose, aloe vera, sweet almond, echinacea, marula oil, which is one of my favorites, capuachu butter, sunflower seed oil. Those are just some of the ones that made me attracted to it. So those are the ingredients that I liked. Also, I got this Dose of Colors, and I've been just dreaming about opening this to see what it's like. I did cheat, and I saw a review. I can't remember who. If I can remember, I'll put it in the description. But this Lock and Key, from her video, it looked like a brown color. This is a brownish gold. This is a brownish gold color. I'm gonna swatch it for sure. And this is how it looks like on my finger. Yo, is that swatching for days or what? But yeah, that's the color. It's very glittery. So if you don't like glitter, you won't like it. It's a dark brown. It's dark brown, glittery, gold, sparkle, gold reflect in a dark brown, rich, warm brown, but still, I don't know, I can't tell if it's warm or cool, honestly, but it's not like that sienna burnt orange type of brown, but it's still a bit warm. It's like the color of a tree, like a real, like tree bark or something. So it's that kind of brown, dark brown base with rich gold, true gold sparkles. So there's that. Gonna wipe that off because I'm gonna do the lip swatches next. Don't be joking me because of my glasses. I usually wear contacts, but not today. I'm tired. I really should be asleep, but I can't sleep. So I decided to make a video for y'all. I actually find making videos quite fun. And I always like playing with makeup, so. Okay, this one is the Real Her liner duo. And this is what the tip color looks like. This is very interesting. Usually they have, lip liners have that colored tip top. The top is colored. This one, the color is black. So even if you mixed up the tops, it won't matter. So we're going to swipe the nude one first. There's the color of it. Ooh, that's smooth. That is really smooth. Okay. There's no sparkle in that, which is fine. It is matte. It is exactly the color of gingerbread. So it's an orangey, coppery, nude brown type color. Gingerbread colored. So this I thought was red, but upon looking at the package, I'm not so sure. But let's see. This is looking like one of those burnt browns as well. So we'll see though. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, excuse me. I stand corrected because that is red for sure. Excuse me. The one thing that's interesting about this is that it is very smooth and very pigmented. So that's going to be nice. I'm wondering though, is it going to move around? So I'm going to let it sit there a while I open this Illamasqua palette, and then I'm going to do a, transfer, whatever, test. It doesn't mean that I won't use the lip liners if they transfer or smear. It just means that I have to watch what I'm using them for. So for example, if I want to use my mask at work, I will not be doing that because I will have smeary clown mouth. Uh, it's not the look I'm going for, ever. But if I'm kind of around the house and just want to be cute, then I can use the lip liner. Or whenever this pandemic is over, if ever, I'll be able to use the lip liner. So again, this was the box for the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. This is what it looks like. This is very unique, the sides that curve in, that's very unique. Um, it tells you the names of the shadows on the back. That's kind of odd, but that's what they did. All right. Huh. This is an interesting color story. It's nude. It's nude. And it's neutral, it's nude. And I'm not really a fan of that right now, but you have to admit that this is pretty. Just have to. You can't say it isn't, because it is pretty. So let's see which of these colors I actually like. I'm irritated with this, y'all. I don't know how many other people get irritated with these. Please put the shade names on the daggone palette itself. Stop doing that. Giving me plastic inserts that I'm going to destroy. Oh, I said I was going to test this. Honestly, it's not bad. You can see it's smearing, but it's not bad at all. I think I could make that mask proof with powder. If I put some translucent powder on it, I think I can make that transfer proof. I think I could. Okay. Now, so it looks like there are 5 matte colors, 1 satin color, and 6 shimmers. We're going to test empowerment. I was going to say espresso, but that's not it. Empowerment first. Okay. That's a matte. Muse, orangey sand color. That's also matte. Poise. This is what I would consider a true sand. On my pointer finger there. Okay. Then you have assured. Now, assured and poise look so similar. This one and this one are giving me samey vibes. So I'm gonna swatch that. And you can't, the, let's see, you can't even see on my skin tone. It looks like poise just disappeared. But you can see assured is giving me a little bit of color. But that's good. I like these. I'm not a fan of Muse. It's coming off really orangey. I mean, it does. I don't have to like it. It's not necessary. I mean, you have all these shades, and I like um, probably the shade I'm going to use is Assured or Poise. I'm probably going to use Assured or Poise as my, base color that I start with, my transition color. And then Empower to deepen it up. That's the only thing you got to deepen it up. I'm going to show you Honor. I'm going to show you Honor and Spirit. Honor is the only satin shade in the palette. I see that, even though some people would disagree, I see Honor. Like I said, it's a satin. I see that as a crease color. And then you have, I said I was going to do Spirit. That's definitely a brow bone highlight or inner corner highlight. It's just a pasty, chalky white color here. Bold, Vivacity, Bold, Distinct, Vivacity, Bold, and Distinct. And Chutzpah. Chutzpah, Distinct, Bold, Vivacity. Okay, so this camera to me is not picking it up the way I want. But what I want to tell you, it's not picking it up the way, the color, it's not picking up the color the way I want. But the top one, Chutzpah, that one is copper, straight up copper. The second one, to me, is more of a topper. It's very sheer. That one is Distinct, I believe. Yes, Distinct is very sheer. And it's more warm than I would have expected. When you look at the shade, it doesn't seem it's going to come off that warm, but it is. It's a rose gold, a true rose gold. The other color, which is called Bold, you can see that one is a rose color. That is a true like pink rose color. And then Vivacity, that's a rust color. Like I said, it's not coming up, but it's rust. It's red, but it's rusty red. Okay. So, and then the last two to show you are Zealous and Fearless, which are both golds. No one asked my opinion. No one asked my opinion, but I don't understand when you put in two shades that are the same. Okay. But maybe I will stand corrected once I swatch them. So here's Zealous, which I was just complaining about because it's gold, and so is Fearless. So here is Zealous. That's Zealous. Here's Fearless, which is also gold. So this, Zealous, Fearless. Now I can tell you that Zealous is smooth. It's a smooth metallic, whereas Fearless is just a little bit more gritty. But they're both smooth. But okay, so that is the whole box. That's the whole box. I liked it. You know, I would actually use some of these products together. So what I might do another time um, is come back and make a video using this palette, the lip liners, and the Dose of Colors shadow. Shoot, and the moisturizer. Why not? It really smooths out your makeup anyway because it's so rich. Okay, thank you for watching. Good night.